If you're in Kansas City and you're in need of a high-quality foundation leak repair company, KC Pier is the company for you. KC Pier offers multiple foundation waterproofing techniques that will take the leak and manage the water or stop the water depending on the type of repair. There are multiple levels of repair that we offer at KC Pier. They have multiple foundation warranties behind them, from 5 years up to a lifetime. And you as a homeowner can choose, because at KC Pier, we don't necessarily hit everybody with the home run, the grand slam, or the big repair. We actually give options. We offer homeowners typically 3 options: good, better, best, A, B's, and C's, and you can decide based on budgets, based on your timelines, based on the variables that you're thinking about your home and your home ownership, and apply the right repair that fits your needs. That's the best thing about KC Pier when it comes to foundation leak repairs, is we have options, and we can actually talk and consult the homeowners and apply the right option and give them the choice to choose that right foundation leak repair for their situation. So when you find that water in your basement, give KC Pier a call. We'll come out, we'll take care of it, we'll take a look and give you a free assessment, provide you the options and allow you to choose to apply the right solution to your home.